Choosing a nutrient-dense diet is essential for pregnant women. To ensure that your developing baby is getting all the essential vitamins and minerals it needs, here are 15 superfoods for pregnant women. Salmon. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, salmon helps reduce inflammation, supports brain development and can boost overall health. Avocado. Packed with folate, avocado helps prevent neural tube defects and improve the absorption of other important nutrients. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are an excellent source of fiber, protein, and healthy fats. Legumes. Legumes provide a good source of iron, folate, and fiber. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are rich in beta-carotene, which is important for the development of baby's eyesight. Berries. Berries are packed with antioxidants, which can help reduce the risk of certain birth defects. Dark leafy greens. Dark leafy greens are a great source of iron, calcium, and folate. Kefir. Kefir is a probiotic-rich fermented dairy product that supports digestive health. Eggs. Eggs are an excellent source of high-quality protein and choline, which is important for the development of baby's brain. Oats. Oats are a great source of fiber and complex carbohydrates, which can help keep blood sugar levels stable throughout pregnancy. Edamame. Edamame are a great source of protein, folate, and omega-3 fatty acids. Organic dairy, milk, yogurt, and cheese are great sources of calcium and vitamin D, which can help promote bone health. Broccoli. Broccoli is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which can help support baby's development and health. Whole grains. Whole grains are a great source of complex carbohydrates and fiber, which can help keep energy levels up throughout pregnancy. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits are high in vitamin C, which can help support baby's immune system. By including these nutritious foods in your diet, you can ensure that both you and your developing baby are getting all the essential vitamins and minerals it needs.
Stay tuned for more update. Thank you for watching.